Individual paint, individual care. Matte paint can be sensitive to some contaminations. The original BMW Accessories Matte Paint Special Cleaner makes keeping it clean easy. It removes water-soluble as well as greasy and oily soiling thanks to the latest technology. Let's go. Make sure the car is parked in the shade and it's not too hot. Wash off any loose dirt first with water. Spray the cleaner directly on the contamination and spread it with a clean microfiber towel without force. Take a clean and damp microfiber towel and wipe it off in a single and linear motion. Enjoy clean rides.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?